Today, we are going to make a simple homemade remedy that helps boost your sex drive naturally. We'll need just a few basic ingredients. Let's get started. First, take a fresh garlic bulb and separate 3 to 4 cloves. Peel the garlic cloves nicely and chop them into small pieces. Now take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of black seeds kalonji. Finally, pour in enough honey, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. And mix everything well until you get a nice blend. Take 1 spoon of this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. You can also take another spoon at night before going to bed. With regular use, you will start noticing the benefits within a few days. And that's it. Simple, natural, and super effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more natural health tips.